Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nag-close ng red candle, forming bullish pin bar and above average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So what happened yesterday? Nagkaroon tayo ng rejection sa resistance, forming double top. And what happened? Nagkaroon tayo ng retest. Congrats sa mga nakasundot after ni BTC mag-retest sa support area. Still, may mga buyers pa rin na sumalo. And currently, BTC is approaching resistance again. So, yung possible scenario natin, the moment na basagin ni BTC yung resistance natin, it's only a continuation ng uptrend momentum. And the moment na basagin niya yung support area natin, possible na magkaroon tayo ng weakness sa buyers and to change bias to downtrend. Currently, sa pinapakita ng BTC and sa market structure niya, we are still on a uptrend momentum.